Securing your website with an SSL certificate is essential to protect your visitors and build trust. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to install an SSL certificate purchase from hosted.com. All hosted.com hosting plans include a free SSL certificate, but if you require a different one, then you can purchase it directly through your hosted.com account. Log in to your hosted.com account. Click the Manage Services dropdown and choose SSL Certificates. Click Add Certificate. Here you can browse our range of SSL certificate options and purchase it by following these steps. Click Add SSL Certificate. Choose your certificate and click Buy Now. Under SSL configuration, click Continue. Next, click Checkout. At the bottom of the page, accept the terms of service by ticking the box and select Complete Order. To finalize your purchase, to validate your SSL, you will also need a valid email address from the domain name that the SSL is for. Head back to your hosted.com account and click on SSL Certificates. Under Manage Services, click on Manage and Configure. Select the domain you'd like to apply the SSL certificate to. Make sure to use www.andthetld. Select your certificate type, choose Other if you're not sure. Choose the email address you are going to use to validate the SSL. Make sure Auto Generate CSR is selected and fill in your details. When complete, click Submit to continue to the next page. Click Copy to Clipboard and OK in the pop-up. Open a text application like Notepad and paste your private key there to use later. Go to your email account and click the link in the system email that was sent when configuring the SSL certificate. Click Verify and then refresh. Return to your hosted.com account and select SSL Certificates from the Manage Services menu. Click on Manage and then View Certificate. Copy the SSL certificate text in the pop-up window and click Close when done. Next, paste this into a Notepad document again. In your hosted.com dashboard, select Web Hosting. Click Manage and log in to cPanel. Scroll down to Security and click on SSL/TLS. Under Install and Manage SSL for your site, click Manage SSL Sites. Select the domain address the SSL will apply to. Paste the certificate text into the certificate text box. Click Autofill by Certificate. Copy the private key from your saved Notepad document and paste it into the private key text box. Next, click Install Certificate. Click OK and head back to the cPanel dashboard. Scroll down to the Domains section and select Domains. Switch the Force HTTPS redirect toggle on. Congratulations, you've installed an SSL certificate on your website. It's that easy. Visit your site and double check that HTTPS is showing in the URL. If it isn't, go back to the domains page in cPanel and make sure the Force HTTPS redirect toggle is set to on.